boy. Hi, sweet pea. I don't know if he's here, but he might have been here. What do you think? Do you think he was here? How do you know?
Just for you.
Thank you, sweetheart.
It's a present.
It's a present. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Hey, buddy, let's take off your binks. Good job, buddy. Look, and I think Santa Claus was here. He left you a stocking over there filled with stuff. Let's go take a look. Oh, my goodness.
Presents.
Let's check it out. Oh, no, there's stuff inside the stocking, buddy. You gotta check that out, too, okay? All right. Let's check it out. Let's see. What does Santa give to you? Let's see, buddy. Oh, let me see. I help you. Okay. Oh my goodness, Santa's fun.
I can open it.
We can open it later. Let's see what else. Let's see what else is in here. A new special sippy. Santa new.
What graces?
Isn't that cool?
What we do when we do this?
How do we do with it? How does it work?
How work with a button?
No, there's no button on that one. Yeah, we're gonna try it out later. Think it's gonna be good? Santa new.
Wow.
That's a new doer. I'll show you. Want to see? Yeah. What color is it? Your favorite color, Santa new?
Pink.
Yeah. How does Santa know your favorite color? Did you tell him?
Yeah.
You did?
What will do though?
You go on this end and you go, uh-oh. And you go, do. Blow.
Perfect.
Nice, bud. You want to see what else in here?
Yeah.
Let's see. This is a harmonica. You want me to show you that one?
How I do it?
How do you do it? Let's see. All right.
I'll see when
Now
I'm
we can't get it open. No way, Santa, no! I wonder if you throw it on the ground. Oh, look at that one! That's cool, huh?
Max has that.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's anything else in here.
Wow. Another one.
Yeah, look, it's a duck. Uh-oh, that one you must have to be on the hard floor. Okay, let's see. You want to see what's in your Christmas bag?
It does light up.
It does like that.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what's in the bag.
Yeah.
Let's see. Look at that, buddy.
Let's see.
Santa said we have to change the draper though before we go downstairs, okay?
Goldfish.
Goldfish, your favorite, Santa knew.
Can we open it?
Maybe later. We'll have some
Yeah.
later, okay?
Yeah.
That's for your iPad, right? A special thing.
No, we got this.
Oh my goodness, you got new games for your iPad. Is that a Mickey game?
Yeah.
That'll be fun to do, right?
More goldfish.
More goldfish. Santa knew that they were your favorite.
I'll open this. I'll open these. I'll open this and these. These two. I'll open these two.
Those two? Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything else in the bag?
I think so. Yeah. A strike. And
Who's that?
magnets.
Who's that? Is that Jake?
Yeah. It's your present, Daddy. Hey, it's your present.
It's my present. This for you, Pumpkin.
I can share with you all the time.
Oh, you're so sweet,
You're
Terrence.
welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Mommy's gonna go get a diaper. Because Santa said before we go downstairs we have to change the diaper.
With me.
We're going to. Then we're gonna go check out downstairs, okay?
you open these too?
Yeah, I can.
You open these?
Yeah, I will.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Here, come here, buds. Let's put on it. Oh my goodness. Did you hear Santa's reindeer on the roof last night? Did you? Did they go jingle, jingle, jangle?
Yeah.
It's okay, just lay back.
I'm playing.
Yeah, we're gonna play, honey. We're just gonna change it. Sure.
I guess I open these.
Yeah.
Open these.
Sure thing, sweetheart.
Open these.
Honey, can you lean back on?